Welcome, boys! Okay, in this video we're going to be restoring these headlights, because they look like hot garbage. Can't see through them, they're cloudy, they look kind of like what those used to. So now we're going to turn these into that. So we're going to be using sandpaper, and then we're going to coat them in a ceramic coat so they stay clear for quite some time. Now, unfortunately, they have those little nipply things on them like my Fords did before I cleaned them completely. And I didn't bring my beastly sandpaper that goes on a machine. So unfortunately, we're going to have to hand sand these and just go around those nipples. But, oh well, could be worse, I suppose. So we got the sandpaper, we got the block, we're going to get to hand sanding and making these things nice and see-through again. actually see through them now. That's how we restore the plastic headlight lenses on our Ford van. I think this thing's a Windstar. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.